Did you know that the world has changed in recent years thanks to small flying devices? Drones are not just toys or gadgets. They have become real heroes in agriculture, rescue operations, and even in movie production. But did you know that drones can be dangerous, and that they are even used for military purposes? Today we will tell you the most surprising and shocking facts about drones. Ready to find out how these devices have changed our world? Then go for it. Drones are not just toys or gadgets. Their history dates back to the mid-20th century when the military began using drones for reconnaissance. The first drones were huge, clunky, and expensive, but they became the prototype for today's devices. 1950s, the military used drones to monitor areas. 1980s, the advent of the first commercial drones for photography. 2000s, advances in technology made drones available to the general public. Today, drones are not only tools for entertainment, but also powerful aids in science, medicine, and even art. Let's understand what drones are made of and how they work. The basic components of any drone. The body, durable material that protects the internal parts. Motors and propellers, responsible for lift and flight control. Batteries, provides energy but limits flight time. Camera, allows you to take video and photos from the air. GPS and sensors, help the drone navigate through space. Modern drones are equipped with artificial intelligence that allows them to automatically avoid obstacles, follow objects, and even return home if the battery runs out. Drones have found applications in many areas of life. Here are just a few examples. Drones scan fields, help determine crop yields, and even spray fertilizer. This saves time and resources. They can also detect plant diseases and pests, which helps farmers respond faster. In emergency situations, drones can quickly get to the scene, find victims, and relay data to rescuers. They are used to find people in rubble after earthquakes and floods. Drones can also deliver first aid kits and other essential items. Drones capture dynamic footage that only helicopters could do before. It's cheaper and safer. They allow you to capture unique angles that add an immersive experience to movies. Drones deliver medicine to remote areas where there are no roads. They are also used to train doctors. In some countries, drones deliver donated blood and other medical supplies. Drones create 3D models of buildings and construction sites, which helps to control the construction process. They are also used to inspect high-rise projects such as bridges and skyscrapers. Drones help identify defects and fix them before construction is completed. Drones are used for reconnaissance and surveillance of the enemy. They can transmit real-time data, which helps in making strategic decisions. Some drones are equipped with weapons, making them a powerful tool in the hands of nations. And now some fun and surprising facts about drones. There is a drone the size of a bee wing. It weighs only 8 grams. This drone can fly indoors and even fly through narrow crevices. It is used to explore hard-to-reach places. In China, drones have saved more than 100 people by picking them up from flooded areas. They can carry people to a safe distance. Drones are also used to find climbers missing in the mountains. In Japan, drones play music on special instruments. It looks like a real show. Drones can play the piano, drums, and even the violin. They are used to create unique musical compositions. In some countries, drones deliver packages right to the door. This is convenient and fast. They can deliver small packages and letters. Drones are already actively used in logistics. At a festival in the US, drones created a light show that impressed even the most sophisticated viewers. They can fly in a strict order, creating complex figures. Drones are also used to create installations and art objects. Drones can be used for espionage and surveillance. They can become a tool for confrontational operations. Some models are equipped with explosives, making them powerful weapons in the hands of states. What will the future of drones be like? Scientists and engineers are working on new models that will be able to. New batteries will allow drones to stay in the air for up to 12 hours. This will increase their efficiency in a variety of applications. Drones will be able to perform more complex tasks without frequent landings to recharge. Drones will be able to deliver small loads such as food or medicine. They could be used for emergency deliveries to hard-to-reach areas. Drones are already being tested to deliver packages in cities. With artificial intelligence, drones will be able to understand commands and even engage in dialogue. They will be able to become assistants in everyday life. Drones will be able to translate speech and communicate in different languages. Drones will be able to draw pictures, create music, and even write poetry. They could become a new kind of artist. Drones are already being used to create unique art projects. Drones could become a part of urban air mobility systems, transporting people across cities. This could revolutionize public transportation and reduce traffic congestion. Imagine flying taxis and personal drones becoming a common sight in the sky. Drones will play a crucial role in monitoring the environment, tracking climate change, and protecting wildlife. They can collect data on deforestation, pollution, and natural disasters, helping scientists and governments make informed decisions. As technology advances, drones could become even more dangerous. They can be used for cyber attacks, espionage, or even as weapons in the wrong hands. The potential for misuse is growing, and safety measures need to be developed urgently to prevent catastrophic consequences. Governments, companies, and individuals must work together to ensure drones are used responsibly and ethically, or the future could become a high-stakes battleground in the skies. Drones are not just devices, they are capabilities. They have changed our world and continue to amaze us with their abilities. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. And most importantly, let us know in the comments what topics or facts you'd like to see in our next video. See you in the next one.